It's funny that Nhloso is prepared to raise Mtunzi's baby and divorce Dintle just because he cannot stand to see Madlomo with another man. I'm glad Madlomo was like, no, Pibambe Lapo. What we had is over and I don't love you anymore. Bridget found the video and went to confront Talita and then showed it to Tabs. Now they're on to Talita. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Nhloso went to the therapist that Dintle paid for, only to go there and talk about his ex-wife and actually find advice on how to get back with his wife or vent about his wife instead of fixing the marriage that he has no Dintle. Jiggy, he says Madlomo uthelwe ngenyongo. Even the therapist is shocked. And then he decides he's going to lie to Madlomo, told Madlomo ukuthi he's found a solution about a way to pay for Lihle's fees. It's like a student loan thing. They need to sign for it together. Umthunzi was like, hey, umuntu just hang up and please don't sign anything without reading it properly. Actually bring it home so we can read it together. I figure Madlomo is shocked with how student loan got dokotela, what's going on like? Nhloso is explaining, this is my therapist. Yeah, I'm called you here so that he can help us fix things. Dokotela, please tell her ukuthi ngiyamthanda. Umadlomo is shocked. Kwenzakalani la? Please, can I just leave, please? Athi no ungahambi. I'm prepared to leave Udintle. I'm prepared to raise your child. But Dokotela is like, no, Mr. Kasamana kancane. This is not how we do things. Athi wena Dokotela ume. Let me talk to my wife. Let me talk to Madlomo. He apologizes, Madlomo, I made a huge mistake. I should not have married Udintle. I can't stand to see you with another man. Someone is stabbing me in the heart. So this is about Madlomo being with Mtunzi. If Madlomo was single, Nhloso would still be happy, no Dintle, with no plans of leaving her for Madlomo. But now that Madlomo is happy with another man, Mtunzi for that matter, now he wants to change and be a better man for Madlomo and even divorce Udintle and go back to Madlomo, going on about, hey, remember where we come from, I'm prepared to raise your baby, kanjani ngane kaMthunzi. And uMadlomo is even shocked now. Khulisa umntanami, a baby that has ubaba yomthandayo. Yazi uHloso here is begging. Yaqala Madlomo, as the doctor was so shocked. What's going on? This is a first. I've never seen anything like this. Madlomo wathi, hey, man Nhloso. Yazi, I don't know what's going on here, but please don't involve me. You and I, what we had, Intiam nawe seyaphela. Angisakuthandi. I don't love you anymore. Nhloso could not believe it because he thinks he's all that, and like, if you're just saying this to kungivisa ubuhlungu, Madlomo ngiyaqala man, let's fix this. Athi Madlomo cha baba, angisakuthandi into yami nawe yaphela. And then Bridget goes to hospital to find Talita in the hospital in Victor's room. Athi wenzani la, uyirang, what are you doing here? Talita lies, going, no, I wanted to see how he's doing. Ari, please leave me alone, please. She leaves, and then Bridget starts uses Victor's print to open the phone, only to find the video seeing what Talita has been calling Victor. She reads the messages. Jiggy, she finds the video that Talita did to frame Victor. Bridget was shocked. Now the Halalelo wants to know what she found in the phone, but Bridget's like, no, there was nothing. It was a dead end. But the girl, Halala wanted to see the phone. He's like, nope, it's got some personal messages between your dad and I, so I can't give it to you. Bridget is protecting the poor baby. And went straight to Talita to confront her, saying, Hori, Pila, what's going on? Talita lies, saying, no, Victor came to me. I had to fight him off. But why didn't you go to the police with the video? Why did you take a video and not use it? Why didn't you tell Taps? I was protecting Siriti, Sapecha Fela, and all that. Arwena. So Victor attempted to assault you, and then now he steals million. It doesn't make sense. Lina, I don't understand. Please don't tell anyone else about my shame, blah, blah, blah. Bridget, that never, not under my watch. Bridget went and showed it to Tab, saying, I've got a video here. It's unpleasant to watch, but Kimama how? It seems like Victor attempted to assault her. Tapela looks at the video and is shocked. I hope now they can just get on this and find the real culprit, Talita. She was the one that was blackmailing Victor. I wonder what story she's going to spin when she gets confronted about this. And then Poet is not happy about this whole meme thing because it's degrading his dignity and the character as a man. Now he confronts Ubui to stop the memes. Bui declines, saying this is pushing traffic, but and Torres is also agreeing with it, saying, if Poet wants to pull off from the podcast, She goes to do the podcast alone, only to be roasted, saying, Hurwa Bora, the podcast is nothing without Poet. Poet was there to offer a shoulder to cry on, saying, I'm so sorry you went through that. Mariana was all going on about Poet jealous just because she's making it. Zhuang, when they were running Image Munahai. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.